मैम यही कैमरा मैम मैम ये सेंटर 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 यस मैम
अरे ये बोलेंगे ना तुम्हारा उधर से जाफर 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 नहीं छोड़ रहा भाई जैसे पूरी बात
PS3, sir? Maybe? He's just said it. The man has spoken. We might have a PS3. The theaters were jam-packed and it shattered a lot of records. So एक बार PS1 के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And सिर्फ तालियों से काम नहीं चलेगा. We'll have to make some noise. हमने देखा है इससे पहले और जगह बहुत कुछ हुआ है. तो मुंबई वालों, come on, सीटी ताली बजा लो. We gotta do that. And now, of course, the legends, the superstars are here, back with PS2. Trisha ma'am, this one's for you. Please tell us, first of all, you're looking gorgeous. Thank you so much for being here. हमारे इस planet पे आप आए हो. I can just go on and on with that. Tell us something about this journey. How much of it is that will remain with you? Like कौन सा ऐसा हिस्सा है जो आपके संग हमेशा रहने वाला है? And what are you going to miss the most about this amazing cast and crew?
Good evening. Thank you all for coming here, supporting us. It's so nice to see you all again. And too many memories that I will cherish forever. Firstly, back home, I haven't been part of any multi-starrer. So the only time, I get to meet everybody at one go is probably an award function or something else. We don't really meet that often otherwise. But this was like shooting with a whole bunch of talent every day for 130 days. And like Shobita said, the promotion part of it is what got us closer, because on set, we were all a little stressed and wondering whether our clothes were right and hair was right, and whether, most importantly, we were delivering our dialogues okay, and But it's been so special. So I think all of us have had very emotional moments over the last week where we're either laughing like crazy people or we're breaking down and crying, and then the other person starts crying. And Ash was party to it today as well. Yeah, I mean, so. Thank God. Okay, I thought someone fell.
Wait, the mic drop. Yeah, that's the.
So I'm going to take home some really special memories, pictures, and it's not going to fade away anytime soon, because I will always cherish this, and I don't know if I can actually go on another set, and there'll always be withdrawal symptoms of not having these guys around, because I'm only probably working with one co-star out there. So I'm privileged, and of course, again, like Aishu said, so privileged to be on this stage, sharing this stage with so many wonderful people.
You have this unenviable distinction, you're made in Hindi film, where I've not seen it, but I have read that you played a municipal commissioner. So I wanted to ask you, last time when you came to Mumbai and today when you've come to Mumbai, did you take stock of the roads, the potholes?
take stock of the
Just a light-hearted question.
I do that even in Chennai.
Okay, the roads are good in Chennai though. Okay, you want to add something to it?
No, I mean, that was a film, honestly, I did not look at it as like a launch into Hindi cinema. It was because Priyansa launched me in Tamil, and he asked me to do this film. It's actually a remake of a Malayalam film, so I just obliged because, like, he's my guru. He launched me, he gave me a platform, and so, no, I do not go around looking at potholes in any part of India otherwise.
आगे हो जाओ प्लीज।